Hi everyone. So, right, welcome back firstly. I'm holding the camera on this video because I need to and it's just easier. So anyway, I need to talk to you about Poundland. Okay, I know, and you probably know, that there's hundreds of videos out there on YouTube. Poundland hauls, shopping in Poundland, what Poundland has got in 2018, you know, all of that. But I'm not going to do that. I actually bought these items before I watched any of those videos. I was just in there. There's one on my local high street. So these are my Poundland buys. Okay, I have two of these, but you'll see why in a moment. £1, oh god, bargain. Okay, they're photo frames, okay, but I'm not going to keep them as photo frames because I got another idea. I got super excited. Now, firstly, with the help of Rustoleum, okay, Rustoleum is currently my new best friend. So I ordered some spray paint and I'm going to revamp these Poundland trays. You're not going to see this one right now, but I'm going to show you the revamped version of this one and what I actually used it for. I did say trays, didn't I? I'm going to make a tray. I don't really want it as a photo frame. It's not really my style as a photo frame, but I'm going to dismantle it, abuse it, spray it, reuse it. Oh, love that. It rhymes. And look what I made. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Drum roll, drum roll. Are you drum rolling? Dun, dun, dun. It is a gorgeous copper tray from this, okay? £1. Can we appreciate £1? £1, okay? £1. And these cost like £5. But anyway, they're gonna last years. This, oh my god, I'm in love. I don't know what's happened to me, okay, since moving to Essex 2 years ago. I don't know, like bling seems to be weaving its way into my system, and I was never really that shiny blingy before. Oh my god, guys, if you want to know how to make this, then I suggest, oh my god, I can't stop looking at it. I suggest you keep watching. Also, dun dun dun. Oh my god, guys! Oh, it's a mirror tray. It is a mirrored tray, okay? Made with this £1 frame from Poundland. And, oh gosh, let me just take out, I don't have many perfumes. I pretty much live in the same perfumes. So that's literally my perfume. Guys, check it out, okay? Mirrored. It's mirrored. Oh my gosh. And that was using this mirror effect spray. Okay. Okay, enough of that. If you love these, guys, as much as I do, oh, seriously, don't know what's happened to me. If you love these as much as I do, please keep watching. I'm about to show you how easy they are made. Literally 2-minute job, no lie. Ah! This needs sanding down, guys. So before you spray paint it, the spray paint I tried, it doesn't really take very well because it's a plasticky coating, fake wood, Poundland. Can't really expect much else, but have a go at sanding down the edges. You really don't need to do much, just probably 5-10 times on each side, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Really don't want to do it too much, just enough for the paint to grip. Okay, that is the frame sanded really quick. Didn't really take much time doing it. You just want to give it a bit of a wipe down with a damp cloth to get rid of all the sawdust, and also make sure you do it inside there as well, because you will be seeing the paint there. But once you've wiped that down with a damp cloth and it's completely dry, then you can take it out to be sprayed. So I'm going to head out to the garden now. Make sure you do this in a ventilated area, guys. Okay, I am outside. It's getting dark, but follow the instructions on the can, give it a good shake, and yeah, follow the instructions. You can't really go wrong. Bad lighting, but I'm sure once you guys do it in your own space, you'll be able to see where you're going and making sure that you get every nook and cranny. Camera angle's not great, but it, you know. Okay, that is sprayed completely all over. Now you just need to wait for it to dry. I'm a bit naughty. I bring mine inside, but I keep the door open. But obviously if it's a nice summer's day, you can leave it outside. It's freezing cold, it's winter, not gonna happen. So I'm bringing it inside to dry. And then we have to spray the back of the frame now as well. Okay, I've brought the back of the frame out. It dries much quicker on this because it's actually only cardboard. So we're gonna give that a nice spray. I'm probably holding this a bit too close, but yeah, it's too cold to muck about. Oh, it's pretty already. That was it, guys. That was it. I can't even tell you how quick a thing this is, okay? So, you had your spray paint. We sanded the frame, we sprayed it, done. Job done. Seriously? £1. We are going to reassemble. Oh gosh, do not break the glass. We're reassembling, okay? You put the glass back in. Does help sometimes, you know, clean the glass as well. Just make sure that it is proper shiny. Gonna put that there. Gonna close the back. Oh, what is wrong with me? Oh, wow. Okay. And as soon as you walk in the front door, rings are off. Rings are off. Done. Job done. Guys, come on. Get on it. Get on it. Oh, thanks for watching and hope you get making.